The last 2 times I tried to stay at this hotel, they were unfortunately still closed, but they just reopened. So I'm excited to take you guys inside the W Los Angeles to see what's new, what's different, what it's like to stay here now. So let's check in and check it out.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Wow Suite at the W Los Angeles here in sunny Los Angeles, California. So we're gonna start by doing a little room tour here. Basically, when we first walked in, we kind of, went straight for the nearest bathroom. A little odd, from nice and spacious, but like toilet, sink, all of that. Where's the shower? So we'll get to that later. But then moving on to, after you enter the room, there's kind of like this nice entryway. There's like a dining room table, a wet bar here, as you can see. Thank you, W Property, so much for this fantastic upgrade. We really appreciate it, and we're super excited to share it with you. As many of you know, former SPG properties and Marriott properties, many of them are dog friendly, so we are traveling with our Points Pup, Oliver. Yes. So it's really nice and spacious for him, for us, for all our stuff. If it weren't for COVID, we could have, a nice gathering up here with some friends. But the W Los Angeles hooked us up with some great things here for us to just, kick off the evening for just the two of us. We're here to celebrate our anniversary. We've got some cocktails and some mini shakers, some champagne, some snacks, flippers, 2 sheet masks for your face, koozies, and WLA branded sunglasses. The other thing to note is you've got a nice little wet bar over here as well with some complimentary water bottles and all of that. So moving on, here is what I would call like the main sitting area. See, it's probably enough seats for 5 people, 4 people comfortably, a couple tables, plenty of light in this room, which is really, really nice. It's got these dark accent walls, but it's not as like dark and moody as some of the other W properties, and it also doesn't have that like bright pink wall or pops of contrast that are really bright, and just it kind of has a more of a mature vibe to it. So we really like this property, and obviously this room is just fantastic. So like I was saying, you have your seating area over here, lots of lights, TV, DVD player. If you've got kids, movies, whatnot, date night. So then there is a desk here, gotta get some work done, nice spot for it, closets, standard shelves and drawers, the king size bed. Here, there's a great overview. There's a beautiful church right out here, so you got some nice architectural interests outside, along with the UCLA campus, which is, its proximity is unbeatable. So then we move on to the, I guess, private sitting room. So it's got another couch, another TV. This one's a bit bigger, I think. Nice console, yet again, panoramic views, windows, brightness galore. So, and then finally that takes us to, where's the shower? So, sorry, it might get a little bit loud because of the fan. But this is the second bathroom. So you have a half bath when you walk in, which is great. And then this massive tub here, dual vanity, and then this beautiful walk-in shower. How great is this? So one thing to note, yeah, the fan it's kind of loud. We've stayed at this property before, and this room has the same kind of HVAC unit as all the others. So when the air kicks on, honestly, it is quite loud. But the way I tend to think of it is kind of like a sound machine or a white noise machine, purely because I like to sleep with one anyway. So it really kind of helps lull me to sleep. I don't hear cars or traffic outside. You know, it is LA, so there's people out and about everywhere. So I think we should probably, now that you've seen the whole room, check out what the rest of the property has to offer. Let's go.
I did not expect to see this. I figured they had Fit, which is the gym at the W, closed. But they moved Fit outside. Look at this. Full set of weights, full sets of cardio, some treadmills. I mean, and you get to be on the terrace with this epic view over Hilgard Avenue. Like, what a great spot to work out. Well done, W. Always impressed. STK is such a vibe. Thank you. Cheers, that looks incredible.
It smells so good.
And Wagyu beef. All right, welcome to Wet at the W Los Angeles. So this is the pool deck here, as you can see behind me. And normally this area gets pretty full, people laying out, catching that LA sun and that California vibe. So I came down here early in the morning, check it out. And it's a little different. Actually, right now the cabanas are free, they're complimentary, they're on a first come, first served basis, but they are social distancing the cabanas themselves between each other, which is really cool. Overall, there's a lot that W Los Angeles is doing to keep their guests safe. From social distancing, requiring masks in public areas. There's plexiglass between you and the team when you check in or when you go to concierge, things like that. There's also this massive sign right when you walk in, you come up the nice waterfall stairs. You see this big social distancing sign. So overall, I felt really safe here. The hotel is clean. I can't wait to come back and spend some more time. But unfortunately, we have to go ahead to LAX and catch a flight over to Miami. So right past Wet, we have the Hideout, which at night also becomes STK, which is one of the very few areas that offers a very phenomenal steak dinner right now. So make sure you have a reservation on Fridays and Saturdays. We got lucky and got one of the last openings at 7:45. But man, they told us to check in to get a reservation, and whew, they were right. So right down here is the Hideout during the day and STK at night. Also, you can order phenomenal cocktails. All right, I really gotta go catch a flight.